So I finished customizing both left and right shoe for this specific custom. Now I didn't have any control of the design. I was more or less being told, hey Todd, could you customize this idea onto the pair of shoes? So I didn't have any input or any creative like changes that I thought I could implement. Now this is what the final shoe looks like. This is the right shoe, and then this is the left shoe. Now some of you have seen me customize the left shoe in my previous video. If you want to go see that video, the link will pop up right about there. So that's this custom. If it focuses, there we go. That's this custom. Now this right custom, which I'm gonna go into more detail. This character, I'm pretty sure you guys know from Attack on Titan. That's Eren Yeager's character. That's Eren Yeager's Titan. But this guy, I have no idea who this guy is, as well as I don't even know how to pronounce his name. I know his name is something like Neon Genesis Evan Green, whatever. Yeah, I don't know where that character is from. Now, the customer did want to have this zip tie and the shoelaces black, but more specifically, the shoelaces, if I can find this boss, just bear with me. He wanted the characters, he wanted the shoe to have the shoelace, you know, writing on it, like the off-white shoes. So that's what the shoe looks like. Both shoes look like when they're finished. Now, I do have other things that's going on in the background that I don't necessarily explain a lot or talk about. One of them is this wallet card holder thing. I'm busy customizing this thing now. I don't know why it's taking 3,000 years for me to customize this, but I'm also customizing the back. Now this isn't particularly for any customer. I'm just doing this for, you know, my own creative endeavors. So I'm customizing this. When it's finished, I'm probably going to sell it probably on Etsy or eBay. Not necessarily Amazon, but probably one of those two. And now to this guy that I'm also customizing. I have a lot of ideas that could go on this panel. I know you can't see my face, just bear with me. That could go on this panel. As you can see, I've already started customizing Superman over here, as well as the back of the thing. So I'm running through so many designs. Since there's a lot of surface area for me to customize, it's like so many things are popping through my head, so I just need to kind of narrow it down. So that's what I'm busy doing. Now, lastly, a lot of people have been asking me, Todd, when are you gonna customize the left shoe for the flowers and the birds custom? I don't particularly have a name for it, but it's the one with, it's this one. If you remember, like, I customized this shoe like I think a month ago. It will pop up round about here. You can click on it. Oh, it'll also be in the link in the description. So I customized this shoe for like a month ago, and I haven't started customizing the left shoe. I particularly don't have, you know, any rush to complete this shoe complications, because I have so many ideas that I want to implement also on the inside, whereas this one I only customize on the inside swoosh. So it's just a lot going through my head that I need to narrow down. So don't worry, I will get to this shoe, but I have other shoes that I need to complete. Last and foremost, which probably will be my next two videos, will be me customizing this shoe. Now, I hope you can see it properly. Now this character, if you guys can tell, is from Spirited Away, if I'm pronouncing it right. That's the left shoe, and then the right shoe is right here. There we go. And as you can tell, there's a lot going on the inside and the outside. So this Spirited Away custom, these two are for a customer, and I really can't wait to get started on them. as well as the bag and the card holder. So there's a lot running through that I need to customize right now. These I'm gonna ship off probably next week, sometime next week. So bear with me, there's a lot of videos that are gonna be coming out soon. I just need to organize myself in which one's gonna come out next. So if you do like this video, please hit the like button, share, write a comment, write specifically what you can't wait for me to do. You know, hit the notification bell so that you are notified when I drop this kind of customs and videos. Some customs do take me longer. Like I said, this one right here with the birds and leaves, this took me close to 2 months to customize. So if I really want to go as detailed as I like to go, it will take me longer for me to finish them. So don't be in a rush for me to customize the second half of the birds, leaves, and the custom shoe. Otherwise, my name has been Toro Nepeli. I'll see you in my next video.